Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Panda VPN installed and logged in. Once you sign in, make sure your subscription or trial is active so connection limits won't block you. Close Efootball before changing network settings to avoid server conflicts. Once done, pick the regional server you want for the game. This affects matchmaking and latency. Make sure to disable any other VPN or proxy on your device so Panda controls routing cleanly. This prevents split tunnel leaks and login errors when you launch the game. You now connect and optimize. Select a Panda VPN server with low ping to minimize lag and test a few adjacent servers if necessary. Once connected, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to stabilize throughput. Enable Panda's gaming or UDP acceleration mode for faster packet delivery. If Panda supports split tunneling, add Efootball to the tunnel so only the game uses the VPN. This reduces unnecessary routing for other apps. You're ready to launch Efootball. Open the game and confirm matchmaking region, store availability, and in-game latency. If you encounter NAT, login, or match errors, first toggle to a different Panda server and restart Efootball. Often that resolves region routing. If issues persist, restart your device, flush DNS, and check Panda's UDP mode. As a last resort, temporarily disable local firewall or security software that might block VPN traffic. Make sure to re-enable protections once the connection is verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.